Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Artistic Canvas. Today I'm going to make tea candle holders. So let's get started. So first one is the very basic idea, a sunflower shaped tea candle holder. For this sunflower shaped tea candle holder, I'm going to use my Shilpkar clay. So I'm giving the clay the shape of petal and then just sticking it around the tea candle holder. To get a better understanding of how to use Shilpkar, you can check out my other videos on it. I will be sharing the link in description, or you can just check the I button for it. Now once the clay dries, it's time for us to paint it and just decorate it. Since I have made a sunflower, so I'm going to paint it yellow, and for that I'm going to use a yellow acrylic color. After doing the base coat, I am going to apply some golden acrylic color and then the glass color. So giving it the final finishing look. And then we are ready with a sunflower based tea candle holder. Moving on to our second idea. As you can see, I have traced out some petal shapes in 3 different sizes on a butter paper. I'm going to trace out these petal shapes on this OHP sheet using a black permanent marker. I'm going to trace out 5 petals of each size. After you are done with tracing out the petals, now it's time to apply 3D outliners so that we can apply glass colors with ease. After the outliner dries out, it's time to apply the glass colors on these petals and make them more beautiful. Now let's start with applying the glass color. As you can see, I have taken an empty bottle. So basically I am going to customize my own set of colors rather than using the ones that we get in the packet. Now I'm going to pour this pink color into this empty bottle. Now adding white to it and then just mix it well. As you can see, there's a difference in shade, but let's make a lighter version of it, adding more white and then again mixing it. Now let's apply this to our petals. So I'm going to use both the shades, lighter one on the top side and darker one on the bottom of the petal. Similarly, we are going to make blue petals. So sea blue on the top side. Now again my customized dark blue in the middle. and customize violet color on the bottom of the petal. Once the glass colors have dried out, now it's time for us to cut out the petals. Now taking a piece of cardboard, it should be big enough so that it can easily hold the tea candle. Now with the help of glue gun, stick the petals on its edges. Once you have stuck all the petals and they have dried, just bend the outer petals outwards to get this kind of look. Now in the center, as you can see, I have applied some gold acrylic color and I am adding brown glass color to it. Here is a beautiful stained glass tea candle holder ready. So do tell me in the comment section which one was your favorite tea candle holder, and don't forget to like, share, subscribe to my channel. Till then, Happy Diwali!